It's okay.
You have to die. You can see. You can be. I see. That's the whoa.
Who are you?
Sophia.
Okay. Ready?
Wow.
Push your button again. Push your amulet. Here you go.
See?
One more time.
See?
Yeah.
No, in there.
One more time out here and then in there.
In there.
One more time out here because I have it all set up. One more time. And then we'll go inside. You can do it inside. Okay.
I see, I can see. I see a baby. See, I can reach. I see, I can do. So can you. See, I can die. You can see. You can be. I see.
Good job, Sophia. Are you all done now?
Well, no, I'll do it one more time in there.
Okay.